Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is a T-Mobile iPad 4 mini that is currently blocked. This is part 1. Check swapper. And as you can see, it's an iPad 4 mini, but this is through T-Mobile, which this is part 1. See, as it's currently blocked, this one has an EIP and reported, because a lot of times when you look in swapper system, if it says lost or stolen, then it could be lost or stolen and EIP blocked. So you have to pay much more for iPads to get unblocked, in which this is part 1, in which, as you can see, we put the same IMEI on there, so we're not just, you know how haters like to say, no more needs to be said between us. So this is part 1 for, like, you can see that it's totally blocked, in which tune in to part 2. Thank you for watching.